We're diving into the ultimate guide on how to make money online as a teenager. I know what you're thinking. Wait, can I really do this as a teen? Absolutely, and I'm about to spill all the secrets, strategies, and side hustles that will have you rolling in digital dollars. Number 1. Start a vlog. Think about it. Vlogs are like the Beyoncé of the internet, and guess what? You can be the next big thing. YouTube is the ultimate playground for teen moneymakers, and the best part, it's like a friendly breeze to get started. We're talking about user-friendly to the max. But hold up, building that empire might not happen overnight. It's like planting the seeds for the money tree. Takes a bit of time, but oh boy, the payoff is sweet. So, here's the deal. YouTube is your golden ticket. It's got guides that are like the treasure map to online success. Pick something you're super hyped about, like your ultimate passion project, and hit that record button. Now, here's where the magic happens. What if you could turn your daily rants, dance moves, or even gaming skills into cold hard cash? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, guess what? It's not. But here's the catch. Your earnings depend on your fan base. So we're talking subscribers, likes, the whole shebang. What's your passion? Your vibe? Your thing? Cooking? Gaming? DIY awesomeness? Pick your poison, and let's turn that into a money-making extravaganza. Number 2. Stream video games. So your teen's got mad skills in the gaming arena, right? Well, guess what? Those skills can turn into cold, hard cash. Picture this. Becoming the ultimate game streamer and raking in the moolah while having a blast. It's not just gaming. It's turning your passion into a paycheck. Ever wondered if your gaming obsession could actually pay off? Spoiler alert, it can. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube are like treasure chests waiting to be cracked open. Your teen can broadcast their gaming adventures to the world. And here's the kicker. The more subscribers, followers, and interactions, the bigger the payday. It's like turning a game night into a cash party. But hold up, it's not just about the money. It's about becoming a legend in the gaming universe. Imagine people recognizing your teen on the street because of their epic gaming skills. That's the level we're talking about. And get this, it's not limited to one game. Whether they're conquering virtual battlefields, building pixelated empires, or racing through digital realms, every game is a chance to shine. Who knows? Your teen might just become the next big thing in the gaming industry. Number 3. Manage social media. So we all know businesses practically live on social media, right? But hey, who's got the time and energy to juggle Facebook, the now cool X, Instagram, and Pinterest? Not every business owner, that's for sure. That's where your teen superhero comes in. Imagine if they could be the wizard behind the curtain, running those social media platforms for local businesses. It's like turning your knack for endless scrolling into a money-making machine. And hey, don't think it's all about scoring a 9-to-5 gig. Your teen can be the freelance social media maestro. Slide into those DMs, check out local businesses, and offer them a helping hand in the social media circus. It's a legit way for your teen to turn those countless hours online into some serious cash. Who knew being a social media guru could be so lucrative? Number 4. Become an influencer. Imagine your teen rocking it on Instagram or TikTok, and not just for the likes, but for the Benjamins too. So what's the secret sauce? Well, they've got to build a squad of followers. We're not talking about a handful of pals. We're talking about an army of fans. Ask your teen, what kind of influencer do they want to be? Beauty guru? Adventure seeker? The possibilities are as endless as the internet itself. Once they've got that fan base, here's where the magic happens. Brands will be knocking on their virtual door, waving cash to get their products in the spotlight. The more famous your teen becomes, the fatter the paycheck. It's like turning popularity into pure gold. Number 5. Review songs. Ready to turn your love for music into cold, hard cash? Well, buckle up, because we've got a seriously groovy gig for you. Picture this. You, chillin' in your room, headphones on, jamming to the latest beats. And guess what? You're making money doing it. Let's spill the tea on this cash-packed adventure. Numero 5 on our moolah-making list is all about reviewing songs. Yup, you heard it right. Getting paid to share your thoughts on tunes. Now, imagine you're the VIP music critic everyone's waiting for. Whether it's an underground indie track or the latest chart topper, your opinion matters. And guess what? You're gonna get paid for it. We've got the scoop on SliceTheP.com, a hotspot where your musical wisdom turns into dollar bills. It's not just about the tunes. They want your take on commercials too. Because let's be real, who doesn't have an opinion on jingles that stick like glue? Teens as young as 13 can jump on this money train. Your reviews aren't just a one-time thing. They're your golden ticket to a growing paycheck. The better your reviews, the fatter those stacks get. Number 6. Review phone calls for quality control. Imagine getting paid to be a secret agent of awesome service quality. Yes, you heard it right. If your teen is 17 or rocking older, they can turn those earbuds into gold mines. Ever thought about eavesdropping on recorded phone calls? No, we're not getting into spy territory here. Just imagine being the Sherlock of service. Companies like Humanatic are the undercover superheroes making customer service shine, and guess what? They want your team to be the judge. So, here's the scoop. Your team gets paid to put on their detective hat, analyze calls, and spill the tea on service quality. It's like being a quality control ninja in the world of customer service. But wait, it gets even better. They don't just listen, they get to share their thoughts and opinions. It's like having the remote control to the customer service universe, and they're the ones calling the shots. Think about it. Your team, making money, shaping the future of customer service, and all from the comfort of their room. It's not a job, it's an adventure. Now, who wouldn't want to be part of that? Number 7. Paid exercise. Yep, you heard me right. Getting paid to break a sweat. Imagine turning your fitness routine into a cash bonanza. How cool is that? Now let's talk about a little gem called Sweatcoin. It's like the Robin Hood of fitness apps, only cooler. You're out there, crushing your daily steps, and guess what? Sweetcoin is putting money in your pocket for every move you make. But hold up, it gets even better. We're not just talking about some chump change here. We're talking about earning those sweet tokens, Sweatcoins. They call them. These bad boys can unlock a world of awesomeness for you. Think gift cards, sweet product offers, or even cold, hard cash straight to your PayPal. Cha-ching. And here's the kicker. Feeling a bit philanthropic? You can be a hero by donating your hard-earned Sweatcoins to causes that matter. It's like being a superhero with every step you take. How amazing is that? So, are you up for the challenge? Ready to turn your exercise routine into a money-making extravaganza? Don't just walk, cash walk with Sweatcoin. Who knew breaking a sweat could be so darn rewarding? Number 8. Perform random tasks. Alright, so you're scrolling through your favorite online hangout spot and bam! You stumble upon some companies that are legit paying teens to be their online superheroes. No cap. Ever heard of Amazon Mechanical Turk? Akam Turk. Well, these savvy businesses are dishing out the green for teens like you to tackle simple online tasks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hold up, are we talking big bucks? Maybe not yacht money, but hey, it's an easy way to scoop up some extra cash on the side. Cha-ching. But wait, it gets better. Ever fancied yourself a local legend? TaskRabbit and its crew let you flip tasks for people in your hood. That's right, you could be the hero someone's been waiting for. Now, I get it. Some tasks might not be as thrilling as the latest TikTok dance. But think about it. Data entry gigs might sound meh, but they're low-key chill and could be done in your PG pants. Virtual hustle anyone. And here's the kicker. Some tasks might even be real-world adventures. Like, who wouldn't want to be the go-to person for those random missions in your area? Imagine being the Sherlock Holmes of your neighborhood, but cooler. If you found these tips helpful, or if you have some incredible ideas of your own, let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell for more awesome content coming your way.